So today I am finally going to try this setting powder from Huda Beauty. This is the Easy Bake. I've been wanting to try this and finally today has come and we are going to try. I have no concealer. I'm actually fan of her concealer as well. This is my most used concealer so far this year and last year as well. I really love this. This is the Faux Filter Concealer. I'm just gonna apply this real quick and see. I don't need a lot. I usually just apply this much and I just leave it on for about 30 seconds to 1 minute just to get a little bit tacky, and then I blend my concealer. So I guess that should be enough time. I'm going to blend it with a sponge. Alright, so I have the concealer on. You can see my eyes is still like doing that because that's how I apply my concealer. It makes it easy for me to kind of get into the little area or like over here on my eye corner. Now I have to be quick because I need to set my under eye with powder right away. I get the shade Pound Cake and let's see how good it is, if it's really amazing. And I'm also gonna give you update once I've seen how the performance today, but for now we are going to see how it looks like under the eye if you are curious too, because I do have a lot of setting powder and I really have a favorite one from Laura Mercier. So I figured, why do I need a nude, or a different loose powder or setting powder? But this one's, a lot of people talk about this, so we have to see it. And if you guys are curious, you gotta see it as well. So I'm also using one of the Sephora Puff today and see how this one goes. And I'm just gonna apply it right here. Oh my god. First of all, this one smells so good. It smells like ilang-ilang or something. Okay, so here's the powder. That is the look, and mind you, I have a texture skin right here, and that sort of kind of make it blur. And then I'm gonna try it here as well. Oh my goodness, you guys, you've seen the way how my skin looked like before the powder, and I have to say it's pretty good. I'm just gonna set my whole face because I did have the foundation. I used the NARS foundation, and I'm just gonna see how this one reacts. Alright, you guys, so I think I'm pretty good with the setting powder. I think that's, I don't want to put too much anyway because it's just gonna crease on my fine lines already. That's how it looks like. Let me give you a closer look. Okay, so I hope that is close enough, and here you go. You can see under my eye, it definitely blurs it, and I'm surprised the way how it looks like. My only problem is, if it start creasing under my eye, because I am particular with under my eye and I really want to make sure, and I wanted that one does not come out. So far, this powder looks really good. It sets everything. It makes everything like blurry. It sets without looking like thick. It reminds me of Mario, but Mario is slightly different. That one is more finer. This one is slightly more, it's almost like a creamy one. Like it's a creamy kind of thin powder, which is really good. And the shade Pound Cake, I think it's really good for my skin tone. Like it's perfect shade for me. There are different types of colors, of course you know it by now, but if not, yes, you can choose the color of your powder, but Pound Cake is good for me. I would say yes. Alright guys, I hope that close-up look is good enough. So overall, this powder, I would say it lives up to the hype. I wonder why people love this so much, because of the blurry effect to it without looking very thick. And the moment I put that powder on my skin that is a bit like oily because of the foundation, it's not oily, but you can see that the skin needs to be set, and this one is really good at that. Looking at my skin close up, everything just looks so fine, and even the textures, it reduces it a little bit more, which is it's heaven. If you have textured skin and like my skin, if you use this and you don't see result, let me know. But I definitely see the result that it's kind of blurring it. So overall, I think this powder is worth it. I'm so glad that I got it from the Sephora sale. And again, like I said, this video is going to be short, but I know that this is going to help you a lot when you're trying to decide to get a powder. Pound Cake is a good shade for me as well, and overall the look of it is really good. I will give you an update of how it holds up, but so far so good right now. If you haven't followed me on my Instagram yet, feel free to follow me there because I do a lot of updates, shorts, and reels over there at The Pretty Wolf. And that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!